Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what are the messages for you for the coming half of the month and the end of this year. So let's see what are the messages for you for the coming half of the month and the year end. So Pisces, let's see. Okay, so we have the Eight of Wands, the Six of Cups, the Ten of Pentacles, the Hierophant, Page of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords, the Nine of Cups, Ten of Swords, the Five of Swords. Now, from where this has come up? High Priestess, okay. So Pisces, some sort of a news or some sort of a communication regarding a commitment or a reconciliation towards a commitment, or reconciliation with your ex regarding a family, can be anything. So there is a compassionate communication which is giving you stability, which is committed, which is stable. So this communication seems to be regarding either some sort of a reconciliation with a family, getting back to the family, sort of. So it is ultimately talking about happiness, it is talking about stability. This communication, it is maybe you're going and meeting your family, and that is what the communication is all about. So it seems to be a very beautiful energy, spending time with your loved ones, sort of, even reconciliation, as I said, and there seems to be a happy communication over here. Then we have the Hierophant, the Page of Pentacles, and the Queen of Swords. So there is something over here which has to be thought about. You are trying to think about a situation so that you can achieve your happiness and feel relaxed. Okay, so even though you are spending that quality time here with your family, and all the happiness is there, all the stability is there, everything is good here, or maybe you are reconciling with your old friends, can be that also. But there is a situation here which needs to be, in which a step has to be taken, and you are thinking about that very very rationally, because you want happiness here. So your goal is to take a step in a way, or do something in a way, so that you feel relaxed and you feel happy. But what I feel here is that you are not able to do that. You are not able to do that because there is something here which is bothering you. Okay, though you are trying to listen to your inner voice, but this decision, whatever this first step is, maybe you need to take a step in a certain direction, and you feel that if this step is taken, or if this thing is done in this way, or this situation is dealt with in this way, then you feel that it will be the right path, and you feel it will give you happiness. But what I feel here is, the energies are that you are not able to execute that, or you are not able to do that for some reason, and that is what is bothering you, and that is why perhaps you are just thinking and not able to act, can be that also. So though you are trying to find an answer to this issue or this problem, whatever it is, either you are not able to take that step forward for some reason, that can be one thing, or even if you are taking that step, perhaps it is the plans are falling apart. Okay, it is just not working out, it can be that also. So Pisces, if you feel it is not the right time to act, then perhaps you need to let it be as for now. That's what I feel. Because there is definitely a situation here which is bothering you. You want happiness, you want things to be okay, you want things to be relaxed, but it is perhaps not working out, at least for now. So Pisces, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.